Helicopter shot.
Sharma for you. Now we'll go to. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye.
Wide. Not Dhoni, not quick enough by Dhoni. That was
Sir.
You want me to retire?
No, well,
okay.
I just want to ask you.
I was hoping it was a Indian media guy, but because I can't really say if you have a brother or a son who can play for India or is a wicket keeper.
This is true.
Do you think I'm unfit?
No.
Looking at me running?
Very fast.
You think I can survive till the 2019 World Cup?
Sure. Yes. Sure.
Then you have answered the question.
Thank you, sir.
Want the run, get it quite easily in the end. In fact, they're looking for two.
Find that and calling for the run and getting it. The throw at the non-striker's end, but not a direct one. End of the fifth over. It's 20.
Yeah, that was the last ball or the last over. Look at that. That looked deliberate, isn't it? I think he just had a look at the batsman in terms of where he was running. Look at that. And that's not the right way. I think he immediately knew that. Rohit Sharma know about him in Test match was saying that last Test match against England in 2007, and he had to completely play a different game, different role altogether.
The problem. Bowler save it. Look, that's my ball through. You run round me. That is the problem.
Yeah, I think so, because he was never going to stop the ball. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. Because